So email marketing drives some of the highest return on investment than any other social media channel. I've had my eye on the digital marketing space for a very long time now, and I can assure you it's always just been like that. The cost often associated with getting emails into your list is relatively low, and the amount of value that it can provide for your business is very high. So if you're a coach, consultant, or service provider and you're using YouTube to actually create content, but you're not using email marketing, I'm actually going to show you an AI workflow that I built that can actually help you take your long form content and help you repurpose that into newsletters so that you can actually build yourself an ongoing email list and maintain it by having ongoing weekly newsletters. So before I actually dive into the workflow itself, I actually had ChatGPT on deep research mode. Go ahead and do some research on just the ROI comparison of email marketing versus other social media channels. And as you see here, some information that I found: for every dollar spent on email marketing, brands earned between $36 to $42 on average, a 3,600% ROI. And obviously that's probably over the course of the lifetime value of the customer. And by contrast, social media marketing, like paying for ads on social platforms and things like that, often yield about $2.50 to $2.80 per dollar spent, around 250 to 280% ROI on average. And because a lot of people that create content online have some sort of digital offer, like a digital product or a coaching program or something like that, I went ahead and had to do an ROI breakdown of digital product sales. So as you see here by this chart, for B2B digital products, it's often a $36 return per dollar spent, and on B2C digital products, it ranges anywhere from $30 to $40 per dollar spent. And we can get into the whole debate of how AI does its research and everything like that, but the fact still stands. You can go research this anywhere on the internet that email marketing does drive high ROI for businesses. So this here is the AI workflow that I built in N8N, where all you have to do is paste in your YouTube URL, and it will output into your Google Drive a newsletter that you can use for your email list. So here I have a video from a YouTuber by the name of Jack Roberts, and he has this video about how he would build his AI business in 2025 if he had to start over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy the URL. I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna click on execute workflow. I'm gonna paste in the URL, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit submit. And as you see here, it's gonna go to work. So right now what it's doing is that it's pulling the transcript of the video and now it's writing it. But just kind of break down what's happening here. It's calling an external service that's going to actually take that YouTube URL. It's going to take the video and it's going to transcribe it into text. And then all I'm doing is that I'm bringing a lot of that information here forward, and then I'm vectorizing it here. And basically what that means, if you were to go and transcribe a 20 to 30-minute YouTube video and you were to just paste in the full transcript into ChatGPT, you'd get an error because it would run out of its context window length, right? It's just a lot of text and the AI just can't parse through all of that. However, if you were to put that into a PDF and then upload it, it could then actually go through it. The reason it works like this is because in order for the AI to actually go through all of that text, it needs to break it down into something called embeddings. And it's really just a format that's a lot easier for the AI to actually consume at scale. So here we're actually taking all the text from the video, we're vectorizing it, and then we're passing it here to the AI agent. And in this case, I'm actually using Claude by Anthropic to actually do the writing of the newsletter. It's pulling that exact video transcript from the vector database, and then it's storing it here in my Google Drive. And here we actually see what the AI was able to output. So we see here the 4-letter word that built my $1,000,000 agency. So this would be the subject line. And then from here, this would actually get into the actual body of the email. So if you actually want to read this, you can go ahead and pause it now. I've already gone through and read it, and I can actually say that if I had an email list targeting this niche, this is definitely an email that I would send out to my newsletter. Probably make some couple tweaks here and there, but it's pretty good. Now in this case, I did instruct the AI to go ahead and make the voice more bold and straightforward to the point. So depending on your brand, if your voice is maybe more fun or casual and things like that, you can definitely edit the AI so it outputs the right type of newsletter for your list. So yeah, there you have it. If you're creating long form informative content on YouTube for your business, then you can definitely use this workflow here to go ahead and just take that and transcribe it into a newsletter so you can actually keep up to date with your email list. Now, if you do want a copy of this workflow, I am going to make it available. Link in the description below. And number two, if you are a coach, consultant, service provider, or you sell digital products and you want something like this implemented into your business, then go ahead and check out the link in the description below where you can get in contact with me and we can look to see what automations can have the highest impact in your business. With that being said, thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.